Hi, my name is Arif Billah. Today I want to show you how to install PHP project or PHP RAW file on your Ubuntu machine or Ubuntu server. Any of the Linux server you can install the PHP project or RAW file. Okay, so yeah, I will show you step by step using ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT. Okay, let's see here. I already searched the comment at first. I see it's okay or not. Now I am trying to uh, write how to install PHP on the Ubuntu. Okay, how to install PHP. Okay, here I need to write repository and install PHP and PHP repo on the Ubuntu. Okay, so you can use your operating system system name like CentOS, Alma Linux, Debian, or any of the OS you are using. You just write here this OS name. Okay, so I am using Ubuntu, so I just use here my operating system name and just click on the button, and here ChatGPT give us some comment. Okay, so first of all we need to run this comment. I just copy it and go to the command line, and here just paste and hit on the update. It's started to update. Okay, meantime we go to the chat gpt, and here is some comment. I just copy it and again go to our terminal. Yes, you see here our comment. It's given us a prompt. We need to continue. Yes, just write y. Do you want to continue? Y means yes, and hit on click on the enter button. It is starting updating our web server or Ubuntu machine packages. It's almost complete, 88%. %94, 95. Okay, so our operating system update almost finished. Yes, 100% okay. Oh, now it's installing. Also another progress. Okay, I can stop the okay, so it's need 3 to 5 minutes. Now I am copy another comment. Okay, this is our repository comment, and yes, paste and hit enter. Okay, press enter, continue, just click enter. Okay, it's updating. Okay, let's go our main command. Here I see sudo apt install php. This is our php installation command. We know the running php. Oh no, it may not copy it properly. Just go here and click on the copy. Oh no, what's happened? Oh, let's copy manually. Copy and paste. I don't know what's happened. copy. Okay, no problem. You just write sudo apt install PHP 8.1. You see here they are using 8.0, but I know the latest version of PHP is 8.1, so I install 8.1. You can also install 8.0, no problem. Wow, it's installed it. Okay, now I just check PHP v. Yeah, it's installed. I think I'm already installed the PHP. You see here the PHP version 8.2, the latest version. Yeah, okay, so our PHP installation is complete. And okay, you can also use install some PHP extension. Here is some extension, okay, but we don't need this extension. And we also checked the PHP version, and we see the PHP successfully installed on our server or Ubuntu machine. Now our first step is complete. The PHP installation is complete, and the second step is Apache engine install. Okay, so Apache control our Ubuntu machine or server to execute the browser. Okay, so PHP just a software that can execute the PHP, okay, PHP file. But if we run it on our IP or on the browser using localhost, we need to install Apache engine. So now here I write how to install Apache on the Ubuntu. You just write your operating system, and here given us some comment. We see we already installed it. We executed this command sudo apt update. If you use right now, no problem, you can use sudo apt update. Okay, we can use again also, no problem. And the next comment is sudo apt install Apache 2. Okay, I just here y, and it's install it. And now check using this command like systemctl status Apache 2. Okay, we see here running. If it not running, we just write systemctl start Apache 2. Sometime it's not running. Okay, it's after installation it's inactive, so if we run this command, it will be running. Okay, you must be use sudo sudo. Okay, let's go back our ChatGPT. Okay, it's okay. Sudo system shell register Apache, we don't need it. If you run it, no problem, you can run also this one. So yeah, this is the catch option, so we don't need it. But if you run, there is no problem. Okay, I know you are not so expert, so you can run here all the command without any issue. I think there will be not issue. Now if we check through our localhost, okay, we go to our browser, and you see here there is already localhost. If I here write localhost and hit enter, we see the default Apache page. Okay, so our second step is complete. Now we see how to install your PHP project. Okay, I just create a PHP project from ChatGPT. So I just run here, give me a simple PHP code. Okay, this is very simple, but I want little more so give me a PHP little complex semi complex code. That's fine. No, I don't need any database system, so ignore it. Without database system. Okay, that's good enough. I just copy the code. I don't know it's copy, but I can paste it on my Ubuntu system. Okay, I have a message. 1 minute. Okay, so we need to upload this file on a specific position or location. So the location is cd bar www folder, and the name of the folder is HTML. Here if I hit enter, you see here we are in the bar HTML www.html folder, and if I click on the ls, we see here our default HTML. Okay, default HTML code. So we remove all, just rm and stir. We use sudo before rm, sudo and here I just write nano index dot php. In here I just simply paste this code. Okay, what's happened? Okay, let's see this here. Search php simple php code. Okay, let's take this hello world from here. I think all is okay, and here is the php hello world. I just keep the php hello world and remove all the things. Okay, so just Control X Y and hit enter. What the step? Okay, we don't need the permission. Control X, no. Okay, you see here nano index.php. We need to use sudo before nano. It's very important, otherwise we will not save our file. Okay, so that's why I use sudo nano index. Okay, and if now I paste here, okay, we just copy this file, this php file. Okay, sorry, and now I can paste and click on the Control X Y, enter. Yeah, now we successfully added this text on the index.php. Okay, now if I go to the browser, and here the localhost is our domain name, and if I hit enter, we see here hello world. So like this way we can run simple PHP project or any code like this way. Okay, so you must be ensure that your project's not included any database. So if there is any database, you need to write also MySQL data. You need to connection your MySQL database. So you can also use this ChatGPT. Okay, I just show you how to install MySQL database, and here is the some comment how can you install MySQL. And you need also create database. This is the database installation, software installation, how to create create a database on MySQL. And now show it you how to create a database. You see here, so like this way we can use also create, we can also create a database. Okay, so if there is a database, so we use these two instruction of ChatGPT for run the project. Thank you and bye.